In this lesson, we're going to determine if two ratios are equivalent. So if we have a problem like this that says, are the following ratios equivalent? 8 apples to 7 bananas, or 5 apples to 9 bananas. So the first thing to do is to know that the ratios are equivalent if their cross products are equal. So to understand if their cross products are equal, rewrite them as fractions. Remember, ratios are just the same as fractions. So 8 apples to 7 bananas, 8 over 7. 5 apples to 9 bananas, 5 over 9. So now we could use the cross multiplication method, and you could see that with the arrows shown. Okay, so these are the arrows. So you just cross multiply 7 times 5 and 8 times 9. So does 8 times 9 equal 5 times 7? It's a question mark, okay? We don't know. So let's multiply it out. In this case, 8 times 9 is 72. 5 times 7 is 35. These are not equal, so that means since the cross products are not equal, the ratios are not equivalent. So this would only work if this was equal. So these would be equivalent, but they're not. And this is a good way to also check fractions to see if they're equivalent. You could just do the cross multiplication method. So that's how you do that problem. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. And if you need more practice, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, take a look and download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link there that takes you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.